Go on, honey. Go get it. It won't hurt you. It won't hurt you. It's all right. There, it's just me. See, that's the bookend that we got at the flea market that looks just like you. Go get it. It's all right. Come on. Come on, baby. You can walk past it. It won't hurt you. Good girl. It won't hurt you. Oh, honey. You want to go back and see it? See, it's not going to hurt you. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. It won't hurt you. Go on. What's the matter? It's just a bookend or a doorstop. Go get it. It's a Scotty dog just like you. Go on, honey. Don't you want to see it? All right. Gonna try it again? Go on. Go get it. Go on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. See? See, it won't hurt you. Good girl. Not gonna hurt you. Go get it. What do you think, baby? Go get it, honey. It's okay. Huh? What a matter? Huh? Look. See? It's a Scotty dog just like you. What's the matter? Go get it.